made. So ready?
Ready?
Ready. This is my second time. Oh! Sige, kaya mo yan. Pwede na ako mag-drive. Just don't stop. Yeah. Hindi doon ah. May camera kasi. So, they're taking us pictures because they don't have video. So, we'll be the one to take video for ourselves. Ate Nori is there. Enjoy! Woo! Pwede na ako mag-drive. Slow! So this is the end of the truck. We're going up now. End of truck. Ay, saya-saya. Grabe yung saya-saya. Ay, saya-saya. End of truck na. Yes, ang saya. 10! Yun, nakangiti rin na maganda doon ah. Grabe. Another camera. Over there. There's another camera going up. No need to press here. Saya. Now they're pulling us up. Alpine coaster. Woohoo! Saya, saya, saya. Hindi kompleto ang Vietnam tour pag hindi ka nakasakay dito. Grabe, sulit talaga. And we recommend 2 times because for 1 time only you have to pay 250 Vietnamese dong. For 2 times that's 60% off, so you will only pay 250,000 yung 1 time, so 2 times is 350,000, so discount of 100,000. Yay!